I'm here at Antigua Dental Clinic in Guatemala. Just finished getting my teeth bleached and wanted to give you the rundown while I'm still in the clinic. I originally came in to see Dr. Juan Morales about getting porcelain veneers, but Dr. Morales introduced me to something I hadn't heard of before, injectable veneers. He explained that he specializes in these because they're actually better than traditional porcelain veneers in many ways. Injectable veneers are less invasive and more cost-effective than traditional ceramic or composite veneers. Plus, they can be done in just one appointment, which is pretty cool. With traditional veneers, you're looking at multiple visits. Dr. Morales suggested we start with teeth bleaching. He had a good reason for this.
Here it's on the yellow area, and we're aiming to get it here. The canine on the lower one is on the brown area, so we would like to get them on this area. Getting from here to here, it's very difficult. It's probably not going to happen.
See, even if I decide to go for the injectable veneers later, bleaching first is crucial. He explained that the color of your natural teeth can show through the veneers. If your teeth are stained or discolored, those stains might be visible even after the veneers are applied. By bleaching my teeth first, we're creating a brighter base color. This means that if I do get veneers in the future, they'll look more natural and vibrant. It's like painting a wall. You want to start with a clean, light surface to get the best results. So, we decided to kick things off with a professional bleaching treatment. And let me tell you, I'm happy we did. First, Dr. Morales did a thorough cleaning of my teeth. This is super important because it helps the whitening treatment work better. Then, he started by applying this purple paste to my teeth. I found out it's called Purple Magic Teeth Whitening Serum. It's a natural teeth whitening treatment that doesn't cause sensitivity. Pretty cool, right? After that, the real magic began. Dr. Morales did 5 applications of the bleaching treatment. Here's how it went down.
Remove the old fillings, because fillings don't whiten. Just the natural teeth. The fillings are not gonna get white. Yeah. That's most likely. And as I said before, I would like to address first the whiteness, and then you can see if you're happy with that, because veneers are not gonna solve that problem.
After the cleaning and purple serum, Dr. Morales applied a protective gel to my gums to keep them safe from the bleaching agent. Then he put the bleaching gel on my teeth. Dr. Morales used a special light to activate the gel. Not all dentists do this, but it can help speed up the process. The gel stayed on for a while, then it was rinsed off. He repeated this process 5 times in total.
We try at least to get on this area right here. All right. Some people get here, some people get here, and some people get here. Canines normally are in these ranges. Sometimes they do get here, but it's very hard for canines.
Now, here's the exciting part. Dr. Morales managed to make my teeth significantly whiter. When we compared my teeth to the shade guide, we saw an improvement of 3 shades. The difference is noticeable, but still looks natural, which is exactly what I wanted. And get this, I had absolutely no sensitivity afterward. I know some people worry about that, but for me, it was smooth sailing all the way. I think the Purple Magic Serum really helped with that. Now, a little fun fact I learned. Did you know that the natural color of your teeth is partly due to your genes? Yep, some of us are just born lucky with naturally brighter teeth, while others might be more prone to darker shades. But don't worry if you weren't blessed with naturally pearly whites. That's what awesome dentists like Dr. Morales are for. Of course, other factors play a role too. Things like what you eat and drink. I'm looking at you, coffee and red wine. How old you are, and even some medications can affect your tooth color. But with treatments like this, you can turn back the clock on those stains. So,
You should not get sensitivity, but they might get a little bit. It depends a lot between patients, but right now on the procedure, we didn't get any sensitivity, so that's a good thing. Alright? If you do get sensitivity, please let me know, and I will do the whole evaluation of the color to see how your teeth is responding to the treatment.
If
application yet.
That's great.
We usually do between 3 and 4, but as you said before, you want it real white, and everything looks good overall. I think it's pretty good to say I don't do over when I have any sensitivity. 5 is my top. I don't do over 5 just to take care of the whole tooth structure.
Okay, that's pretty awesome.
This is like the closest. It's not gonna be like the same. As you see, this one's kind of more opaque, like in the center. But that's kind of like the closest color that we can get. We will see like the light in this color and the teeth. Alright. So we have this one from here. Alright. And this one from here. I'm gonna bring it up. So now you can see the color. This one is the whitest on the guide that I have. That's the average of it. This one's a little darker, but that's the average. As you can see, this part is whiter than this one. But overall, we get this color, but with hints of this one right here. See?
Okay.
Alright, this is 110.
If you're thinking about brightening up your smile, I highly recommend giving it a shot. And if you're ever in Guatemala, check out Dr. Morales at Antigua Dental Clinic. Trust me, your teeth will thank you. Don't forget to brush twice a day and keep on smiling.